Did you know that creativity is one of the most sought after soft skills in today's market? Maybe you don't think that you're all that creative, but the good news is creativity is something that you can cultivate, and I'll show you how. Hello, my name is Claudia Chan. I want to let you know that there is a creative fire living inside of you right now that's trying to break free. Maybe you are engaging with it already, or maybe it's still lying dormant inside of you. But if you've ever felt stuck, uninspired, or wondered if this is all there is to life, or if you've ever felt a tug in your heart nudging you forward to try something new, that's the creative fire I'm talking about. I know that there's still a lot of fear and anxiety looming over our heads due to the recent pandemic. And you may be wondering where you're headed next. For myself, my side business came to a complete halt. And even though I got a chance to try something new, I still felt scared, stuck, and confused. During one conversation I had with a friend, the topic of creativity came up. It caught my interest, so I studied more about it. And the whole world opened up. You see, creativity is not just about art, music, or calligraphy. Creativity is about innovation, coming up with solutions to problems, whether it is for work, for your family, or in your life. So that's why I have something very special for you. I've put together a free 7-day challenge called Awaken Your Creative Self. In it, you're going to get a chance to rediscover who you are, examine some of your beliefs, find ways to kickstart your creativity, and even come up with a plan for what to do next. Also, I'm bringing on guest experts to share their story and give you some wisdom to help you on your journey. So if you're interested, make sure that you sign up by putting your name and email address and click on Wake Me Up. The world needs you and your creative voice more than ever before. So let's wake up your creative self now so that you'll feel inspired and you're ready to live the life of your dream.